Pero kasama si Will, papayag ka ba?
Yes naman niya. Siyempre, oo. Straight to the point. Oo naman, yes din. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng opportunities gagrab natin. As long as approved by the management, Sparkle. As long as approved ni Miss Tracy. And of course, kami kasi ni Will, nag-work na kami together. So, sa Mano po. So, last 2 years ago, I think. And interesting din na mag-work kami ulit. And now, yung question is with Bianca naman. Alam ko marami nag-aabang yan. Yeah, so, i-take natin yung opportunity na yan. At let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. But for now, sabihin ko yes.
Will, reaction to that? Reaction lang kasi, di ba? Tama naman!
Because I worked with Dustin and Bianca. And parang silang friends ko. And masasabi ko talaga na very, very professional sila. So looking forward talaga na makatrabaho sila ulit. Ngayon na nakalabas kami dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And excited ako makita yung pag-grow nila, not just as a person, of course, kundi sa craft nila.